Come on. You could do it. There you go. Yay for Sam. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There he is, standing up like a big boy. Say bye-bye. Oh, he sees a toy. Bye-bye. See if we could get a close-up. Yeah? Tell us. Yeah, come on, tell us more. Tell us. See his hair? Oop, it's all there. Say hello, Sam. Say bye-bye. That's it for today.